Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE S100. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to set it up. In order to do that, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of DOOGEE. From here, thanks to all of those categories available at the top of an Android device, you can select all of your files to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, click on Allow a couple of times to access your files. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on DOOGEE. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section and copy all of those numbers. Lastly, tap on Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!